So you can see the XY coordinates being pasted there here. That's fine. Well, now I will introduce the slopes, intercepts are the coefficient of correlation here. Intercept means the intercept of the best fitted curve, not curve, the best fitted straight line. The intercept of the in the y-axis. So far to get that, I have to introduce these functions, these things rather. So slope, intercept. Now I will introduce r, small r. So r is the coefficient of correlation and for between x and y coordinates, right? Yes. Now slope, intercept are, then I will introduce p as well. Then std underscore that's nice. Error stats dot line regression. Well, so here it will be actually underscore. Okay. Now I have to introduce a function so that I can take the slope and intercept. I can have the relationship between the slope with slope and intercept. For that I have to do this. Fine. Now return slope sorry, there's so many these things. Okay, slope x intercept. That is basically, you can understand this. This is basically, I am introducing a function, my function of x, that is function of x. That is basically, you know the equation y equals to mx plus c. So m is slope. So that type of c is the intercept of that type of equation. I'm just function. I'm just implementing or introducing here more precisely. So return slope multiplied by x plus intercept, right? Yeah. Well, now I will be just introducing that my model. So let's write this.